Hi guys, I'm going to tell you about the Document Manager plugin of Fedena today. So, an admin can access Document Manager plugin, or an employee with document management privilege can access the same. I've logged in as an employee, so I have to go to collaboration, and here I can go to documents. And under documents, I'm going to get these options here on the right hand side to either share a document, share a folder, create a privileged document, or create user specific documents. So let's see one by one what this means. So we can share a document with a set of people. So that we have to select here, which is the department. And we can even share it with a batch or a group of students. And we can choose a file that we want to share. So let me choose this file. And I can submit it. When I submitted this employee, Anita, so let me log in as that employee and show you how it will look for this employee. She has to go to collaboration and documents, and here under shared docs she'll be able to see the file that I've just shared with her. She can mark it favorite, or she can even delete it from her shared folder. So this is how you share a file with an employee. Now let's say you want to share a folder. In that case, I have to go to collaboration, documents, and I have to go to create folder. So this is sharing a folder. So I'm creating, let's say, shared folder B, and let's say I want to share it with this employee. I can even share it with a set of students, and let's say this folder is going to have this document. I can even add more documents. So all the documents will be shared by this with this employee. This employee will only be able to view or download the documents. So let me show that. So I'm going to log in as that employee now. And here I can go to collaboration and documents, and under share docs I'm going to get a folder which is this one that I just shared folder B. And you can see I'll be only able to download it. I cannot mark it favorite, I cannot delete it. So let me log in back as an admin to see the rest of the functionalities of Document Manager. So the third one is privileged docs. So here I can create a folder and allow some of the privileged employees to be able to upload in that folder. So I'm creating, let's say, a folder called this. And I want all the members of English department, let's say, to be able to upload files in this folder that I created here. Let me select a department. I can even share, I can even share it with employees of different department like this. So I have to select the department here and I can share it. So once I submit this, only these employees will be able to upload the documents here. So now let me log in as one of the employees, and let's see how we can upload a document in that shared folder which is shared by the admin. So we have to go to collaboration, and under collaboration we are going to get a link for documents, and under documents we will be able to see under privileged docs where all I can upload the document. So I can go to privileged docs, I can select the file that I want to upload, and that file will be visible to all the other employees with whom that upload privilege is given. So we can go to collaboration and we can go to documents, and under privileged docs I'll be able to see, you can see upload here, A is there, and I'll be able to add documents to it because upload privilege is given to me. And I can make the visibility public, it means visible to all, or I can make it private. If I make it public, this file that I'm going to upload will be visible to all the users. So let me add a file and show you that. So I've added this file. This public would mean visible to all the employees, not the students. So of course there is some limitation on the size of the file, which you can see is 5 MB. So let me choose a file which is lesser in size. So I've added this document, and now let me log in as another employee, and I can go to collaboration, and I can go to documents, and under privileged docs you'll be able to see that for this employee as well this folder is here, and he will be able to add the documents and view the ones that are there, edit the ones, or delete the ones that are there. So after this, let's see the other functionalities of Document Manager plugin. So I'm going to log in as an admin, and I'll go to collaboration and documents, and here I'll have user specific docs. So this we are creating, it's like keeping records of the students' previous educational documents. So this is where it will be very useful. So you can create a folder like this, like I've created, give it some readable name, and select the category as for students, so that for students I can keep the record here. Similarly, I can do it for employees as well. So once I submit it, it will appear here. Now how do we put documents inside this folder specific to each student? For that we have to go back to Document Manager. We have to go to here, User Docs. Search each employee. Let's say this is my, search each student, because I've created that document folder for the student. So I'm searching this student, click on this, and this folder that I just created will appear. And here for John, I can add the documents that are related to John's previous education. So let's say this is the one. So now similarly I have to do for another student. Let's say there is this student. For this student as well, the folder will appear, and of course it will be empty because it is specific to a user. So you can see John's data that I've put is not appearing for this another student. So what this means is you can put data here, you can put documents here for each student. So you have to search the student and add documents related to that student. So this is about how you can keep record of the previous educational details for the students, and even for the employees you can keep the ID proof, for example, address proof, and so on. So such documents can be put in user docs. So you can see for the admin also, he has a lot of options. He can view the docs that is shared, what all docs is created, what all docs is shared. Then what are the docs that are shared with the admin are going to appear here. Then privileged docs where the admin can upload will be appearing. The docs that the admin has favorited will appear here. The recent docs that he has opened will appear here, and user docs is where he can share and where he can upload the documents for the students or the employees. So this is fully about Document Manager plugin of Fedena. Be tuned in for more videos.